Hi guys, welcome to Poliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make carrot rice. This is a simple, healthy and delicious recipe which you are going to love. It's made with grated carrots, basmati rice and some spices. This mild dish is very easy to prepare and kids love this. So let's learn how to make this. We need 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash it and soak it with 4 cups of water for half an hour. We need vegetable oil, 2 green chilies, 1 onion, 4 carrots and salt to taste. I am going to use 2 carrots for 1 cup of rice, so I am going to use 4 carrots for 2 cups of rice. We need bay leaves, cardamoms, cinnamon sticks, cloves, fennel seeds, jeera and turmeric powder. Let's learn how to make the carrot rice. Let's cook 2 cups of soaked basmati rice with 4 cups of water in a rice cooker. Plug in the cord to the electrical outlet. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil to the rice. Close the lid and switch on the power button and the white rice button. While the rice is cooking, we are going to cook the carrots with onions and spices. Wash the carrots, cut the edges and peel them. After peeling the carrots, we are going to grate them using a grater. The only work in this recipe is grating the carrots. But if you have a food processor, you can grate the carrots in that and your job will be quick and easy. I usually do that, but today I am using a grater to show you how to do this. We are going to use 1 big yellow onion. You can cut them into thin slices like this and keep it ready. We are going to use 2 green chilies. Cut the edges and you can slit them into long pieces like this. Everything is cut and kept ready, so let's start the cooking. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a 4-quart or 6-quart pan, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil gets hot, you can add 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 5 or 6 cloves and 5 to 6 cardamoms. Add half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fry the spices in oil on low flame so it will give a nice aroma to the carrot rice. Add the onion slices to this. Stirring the onions, cook them for 3 to 5 minutes until it changes its color. While the onions are cooking, you can add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. Stirring occasionally, cook the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to this now. Stir it so the salt is nicely blended with the onions. You can add 2 slit green chilies to this. You can add the grated carrots and mix it well. This carrot rice is kid friendly because it's not really spicy and it's healthy too. It's also good to serve for parties because the orange color is really appealing. I just love the orange color of the carrots, don't you? Closing the lid, Cook the carrots for 10 minutes. Once in a while you can open the lid, stir it so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom, and close it again and cook. After 10 minutes you can open the lid and see how nicely the carrots are cooked. Stir it well and then you can switch off the stove. Rice is cooked in the rice cooker and you can remove the electrical cord from the outlet and open the lid. See how nicely the rice is cooked? Leave it open for 10 minutes so the rice will become fluffy and nice like this. After the rice is cooled down, we are going to add this to the cooked carrots. Add the cooked rice to the carrots slowly. Mix the rice with the carrots so everything gets blended very well. Mix it for 3 to 5 minutes so the rice gets nicely blended with the carrots and it gets mixed well. When it's mixed nicely, the end product should look like this. Your world famous, aromatic, flavorful and healthy carrot rice from the Pulliyadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. Make this delicious carrot rice and enjoy with your family. Thank you.